Welcome. Hello friends, welcome back to Travel to Some Places. I'm Jyoti, and today, fun, exciting vlog. I'm headed to JAJCE, which is a medieval town about an hour out of Banja Luka in the north of Bosnia. And there are some spectacular waterfalls there, and then the town itself is beautiful, as far as I've heard, and the pictures I've seen. So if that sounds like fun to you, come join me. And I'm currently at the Banja Luka bus station because I think this is the best way to get there via bus, or you could rent a car, or you could, I guess, take a taxi, but an hour and 15-20 minute drive, I think it would be. Anyhow, so this is what I'm doing. I'm at the bus station. The tickets were 15 mark to go there one way, so I'm assuming 15 on the way back too. And yeah, so let's go. Our bus is here. Every time I get on a bus in a foreign country, it's so exciting because I know I'm going to be seeing something brand new. So off to JAJCE we go. I've got myself a water. I didn't get any snacks because I figure I'll get something to eat when I'm there. Oh, by the way, it took me 40 minutes to walk from the center of Banja Luka to the bus station, in case you're wondering. So taxi probably could have been a better idea. I would have taken maybe 8-10 minutes by taxi. So yeah. And we are off to see a magical waterfall in a medieval town. This is what the ticket looks like. Wonder what that's like. Biker bar. Usually European bottle caps don't detach. I'm surprised. The scenery is so beautiful. Just the drive alone is amazing. Can't wait to see what the town looks like. And the waterfall. Mountains and rivers and lakes. It's beautiful. There's the fortress. I think we're here. Okay, we've made it, but I think there's just been a little sprinkling of rain. I hope it's just a tiny sprinkling and it just stops. Anyways, we'll see. All right, let's see the waterfall. Wow, beautiful. Okay, these are really impressive waterfalls. I think I'm gonna try, and these are so beautiful. I think I'm gonna try and go a little bit closer. Okay, I don't know how much closer to get, but look, there's all these like little souvenir stalls. But before I stop anywhere, I want to get into town, because if it just starts raining, then I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna have to leave. I mean, I guess I could get an umbrella, but still not the same for exploration. Oh, look at this. So cute. Toy business. Bags. Could use one of these. Ooh, I think if we walk down here, maybe I can get closer to the falls. Oh, it's the other side. A little bit closer, not really. Okay, I'm gonna go around from the other side. Look at all these locks. These must be those love lock things that they have in Sarajevo too. So pretty. All right, over the bridge. Oh, I'm so hungry, but I feel like I need to explore before I sit anywhere and eat. Something about ancient archways. I wonder if I just should have something here. But it doesn't look like it'll be very quick. Looks like a wedding. Well, beautiful mosque, but I am definitely not dressed to go inside of there. I wonder how I get up there. So these are the fortress walls. I'm not quite sure how to get on top of them. I mean, on top of the fortress, but let's see. But love these, all these little doorways. Well, can't quite figure out how to get to the top. Okay, so there's a sign somewhere. Yes. So the sign says go that way. So hopefully, I mean, obviously if the sign says that way, then must be that way. To the fortress. Yes. Let's go. Looks like quite the climb. Luckily I wear my running shoes. Alrighty. Here we go. I guess they have to put the cement blocks on the car so they don't roll back, huh? I wonder what that is. I wonder if that has some significance. Ooh, I got to the exciting part of town. So the medieval bear tower? I wonder why it's called a bear tower. So this is the medieval bear tower? I wonder why it's called a bear tower. Look at this doggo just relaxing, enjoying the views. This is the medieval bear tower, not that other. That was the clock tower. Silly. This is the bear tower. Okay, this is not the bear tower. This is the St. Mary's Church with St. Luke's bell tower. Okay, so before I said that this was the bear tower, no, this is the St. Mary's Church with the Saint. Okay, the church, and then this is the St. Luke. Okay, let's try this again. So this is not the bear tower. This is the St. Mary's Church and St. Luke's bell tower, and apparently this is. In this church is where the last Bosnian king was crowned. Okay, so there are the catacombs from the time of the Count of JAJCE in the 14th, 15th century. Okay, we have to buy tickets.
Nema na čemu. Hvala vama. Čuvajte se, dobro da hvala.
Okay, we're headed to the catacombs, and to be honest, they kind of creep me out a little bit, but that's okay. It'll be interesting. Ooh, it's so cool. At least I'm not the only one here. There's no way I'm going down there.
Evo ovdje ima djece škole kao. Onda je možda i bilo zanimljivo. Misli da ovo je zaštita. Ja, kako da je zašto da ovo ima i da nešto.
I'm not sure how clear this is going to come out. It's pretty dark in here. And if I turn on the light, I just sort of ruin it, I think. Oh, other people are going. Maybe I'll go down with them. Because I don't want to go by myself. I don't know how much of this you can see. Okay guys, this is a little too creepy for me, and I think you can't, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see any of this, and the other people that were here just left, so I don't know. It's creepy here. So I'm just gonna go. Catacombs. Creepy. Oh, here's the outside of the fortress. I don't see how to I was supposed to get up there. Oh. Okay, so this sign is pointing this way to go up to the fortress and to the clock tower and the women's mosque. So let's see if this is the way. I think we're getting somewhere, and this goes into a dark spot. I wonder what that is. Or are we actually getting to the top? Well, okay, I don't know what this is, but maybe, I don't know what this is, but maybe it's just a part of the old town. And look, so here, and I'm all the way up here now, but it goes up higher. Okay, we're making progress to the top. Almost there. Almost there. We made it, I think. Oh, strange. You actually have to, there's a ticket, a 5-mark ticket to go to the top, I guess. Interesting. Okay. Let's go. Oh, that's cute. Little swings. Okay, I've been looking at this flag since I got to this town. We're going up there to the top. We made it! We made it to the top! Oh my gosh! So incredible. Beautiful, beauty, beauty, beauty. Everywhere you look. Okay, I have to say this town is so pretty. I mean, a medieval town with like fortresses, old walls, and just really beautiful, stunning views. It is so cute. If you come to Bosnia, you need to make a visit up here. It's so stunning. I think for now I'm gonna say see you next time, because I'm not sure how much longer I can stay here. If I stay here a bit longer, then maybe I'll do another video. But thank you for watching and joining me on this fun journey to this gorgeous little town in Bosnia. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you like these sorts of videos, and see you next time. Bye!